If your videos are getting impressions but no views, you don't have a problem with YouTube. Rather, you have a problem with clicks. YouTube is already showing your video to a great number of audience on the platform, but they are scrolling and passing without clicking that video. They are skipping the video. That is why your videos are always stuck with a lesser number of views. And today in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly why this happens and how to fix it so that you are going to start getting views for your videos and get monetized. First thing first, you have to understand detailedly what is meant by impressions. Because many creators on the platform are always misinterpreting this word impressions. And if you fall in that same category, you might never get it right. Your videos will not perform. If you open your YouTube studio and go to video analytics, you are going to see the various impressions for each video you have ever uploaded on that channel. These impressions are simply telling you the number of people who have viewed that video since it was uploaded on the platform. The number of people whom that video was shown to as they were scrolling through their YouTube feeds, or the number of people who that video was suggested to. Getting a greater number of impressions on your videos on the platform is not a success yet. This is a test phase. YouTube is testing that your video to a variety of audience on the platform to see how it performs. YouTube is not rewarding you yet. It simply shows your video to a small group of audience on the platform to see their reactions, to see how they are going to react with the video, whether they are going to click or they are going to ignore. At this very moment, YouTube has two main goals, either clicks or ignore. If that video gets clicks, it's going to send a strong signal to the algorithm. The algorithm now draws a conclusion. The video is worth recommending, it's good for other people to see. That is how it's going to push it to other audiences. It's going to amplify the impression you had earlier and it's going to be doubled. That video is going to be shown to more people on suggested feeds and YouTube feeds. In less than no time, you are going to be getting thousands of views and hundreds of subscribers and likes. Contrary to this, if YouTube tests that video and people are ignoring it, it's going to consider that the video is not good enough for recommendation. It's not going to give you more impressions. These two things which YouTube looks at are the main things which determines the success of any video you have ever uploaded on this platform. I know you'll be asking yourself now, how do you fix this to start getting clicks instead of people ignoring your videos? Getting only impressions which do not add up anything to your video. Relax, in a while I'm going to be walking you through the process on how to start getting views on your videos. Your biggest problem now, which is a problem faced by many creators on the platform, you take time to do your research, create your videos, edit them and upload on the platform. After a few minutes, impressions start rising and you think you have done it, but people are not clicking. That's the problem. YouTube tries everything possible just to make sure that you get clicks, but it's not working. YouTube shows that video to a diverse audiences just to make sure that you get clicks, but still yet there are no clicks and no views. After putting in all the effort without seeing any result, it's going to gradually stop pushing that video. That is when your impressions are going to drop. That video is going to be killed. It's going to be buried among other videos on the platform. This is exactly where many creators get it wrong. They start blaming the algorithm. They say their videos are not shown to the right audience, that is why they are not getting views. And this is not correct. But honestly, there are no issues with the audience. If your videos are clickable enough, anyone coming across it on the platform is going to click on it without asking questions. YouTube is doing its part. What is left now is to focus more on how you can get your audience to click if that video is shown to them. As from today, stop blaming the algorithm. I'm going to show you exactly how you can adjust this and your videos are going to start getting clicks. The main problem here is attention. People are ignoring your videos when they come across it on the platform. It's not that it's being shown to the wrong people. There is one major factor that influences the decision of YouTube on any video which you have uploaded on the platform. That is click or scroll. There is actually a comparison here between click and scroll. If scroll wins, your video is going to die early. If people are scrolling and passing without clicking, that video is going to die immediately. But if click wins, that video is going to be amplified. Its performance is going to be amplified and you get more views, more impressions, more recommendations and more subscribers, more views. If most of your videos are not always getting clicks but impressions, there is no way your channel is going to grow on this platform and you get monetized. Now let's talk about why people don't click your video even though they are seeing it. The first thing is that your thumbnail is not clear enough for people to understand what is written on it. When people don't understand what is written on your thumbnail, they are going to scroll and move to the next video. They are going to ignore it. There is a lot of competition on the platform. There are many videos. So in order for you to get people's attention, you must always make sure that your thumbnail is clear enough for people to understand what is written on it. You have to understand that your thumbnail is not a photo, but it's what makes people to click on your video. It's what makes people to understand what your video is all about. So if you're creating a thumbnail for your video, make sure that the text written on it is bold enough. The text is big enough for people to see and understand just at a glance. They don't have to spend 5 seconds just to understand what your thumbnail is all about. If that is happening, they are going to scroll past and go to the next video. There are many videos on the platform for them to understand, to watch. Use good colors on your thumbnails, colors that grab people's attention. Let me give an example. If you use a black doll color on your thumbnail, it's possible that people are going to scroll and pass without seeing what is written on it. Make sure that whatever color you are using should be attention grabbing, should grab people's attention immediately once they see it. The second reason why people are not clicking on your video is because of your video title. Your title is somehow predictable. If your title is predictable, people are going to ignore it. You have to focus and understand what it takes to create video titles on YouTube. How should they be? If you just write up anything that you want, it's going to be predictable and people are going to scroll and pass without clicking. Your video title should not explain everything about the video. It only has to tease what your video is all about. Sometimes when people understand everything about your video title, it makes your video to become predictable. They assume that they already know what you are going to be talking about in your video. So your video title should only tease what your content is all about. It should not give the full explanation of what your content will be talking about. And lastly, if your first impression fails, people are going to click off. Don't start your video with greetings, long intro, or low energy. Most creators are falling into this trap. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about this. You have to keep this at the back of your mind. There is high level of competition on a platform. People are clicking videos just because they want an answer to a particular question. Their main reason for clicking that video is that they want to solve a particular problem. So when you start with that, they are going to click off, they are going to go away. And that alone is going to hurt the entire performance of the video. The YouTube algorithm is going to consider that the video is not good enough. That is why they are leaving. Even if just one person clicks, always make sure that the person keep on watching to the end of the video, so that it's going to send a positive signal to the algorithm. YouTube is not having a problem with your content. It's not hiding your videos. It's actually trying its possible best to make sure that your videos are shown to a wider audience, and they are seeing it already. That is why you are having impressions. So if you fix this particular problem of your videos not getting clicks or views, I assure you that in the next few months you are going to be surprised of your channel, of your performance. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel so that you are not going to miss any of my video which is going to be uploaded, and don't forget to drop a comment at the comment section telling me which of the points you find more interesting.